Hello everyone! Today, we're gonna introduce a powerful yet easy-to-use tool designed to make your video tasks effortless. WonderFox HD Video Converter Factory Pro. Change formats, edit clips, download online videos, or record your screen. This program has you covered. It's packed with features, broadly organized into 5 core functions: video converter, video downloader, video recorder, GIF maker, and a handy toolbox with some extra goodies. Now, let's dive into the star of the show, the video converter. Click on the converter tile on the main screen to open it. This is where HD Video Converter Factory Pro truly shines. Easily add your video files by dragging and dropping them directly into the window, or click the Add Files button located at the top left to browse your computer. You can even add an entire folder using the Add Folder option. Once your video is loaded, look at the right side to select your output format. Click the Output Format panel and you'll see an incredible list of over 500 formats and device presets. Scroll through the categories to find the perfect match for your mobile device, a gaming console, or common video profiles for general use. You can further customize video codec, resolution, frame rate, audio codec, and bitrate if needed, just by clicking parameter settings. But it's not just about conversion. You can also perform quick edits. Click the Trim button to trim your videos. Use the handles to shorten the video or make multiple clips. Click the Rotate button to rotate the frame clockwise or counterclockwise, or flip it horizontally or vertically. Hit the Crop button to crop unwanted areas like this, or try a fixed aspect ratio. Press the magic wand to apply special effects and adjust the color to a certain area or the whole frame. You can also click the watermark button to add text or images as watermarks. Finally, go over here and click the plus button to embed subtitles and audio tracks, all within the converter. Once you're set, you can specify your output folder at the bottom of the interface, and then hit the Run button to start the conversion. What's cool is the speed. It supports GPU acceleration, which means if you have a compatible graphics card, to be more specific, an NVIDIA NVENC or Intel QSV graphics card, conversions can be super quick. So make sure to enable GPU acceleration technology for faster processing. Plus, it handles HD, 4K, and even 8K videos, and you can batch convert multiple files at once. Next up is the powerful video downloader. Click on the Downloader tile on the main screen to access this feature. Simply copy the video URL from popular sites. In the Video Downloader window, click the New Download button at the top left. Paste the URL into the downloader, click Analyze, and it will quickly fetch the available download options. You can choose your preferred resolution and format, and even download entire playlists with batch downloading capabilities. Select what you need, hit Download All, and the software will take care of the rest, saving the video directly to your computer. Need to create tutorials, record gameplay, or capture a video call? The built-in screen recorder is your go-to tool. Click the recorder on the main interface to get started. It's incredibly straightforward. Choose whether you want to record your full screen or select a custom area. For custom areas, click and drag to define the recording region. You can also select your audio input, like record with your microphone, system sounds, or both. Adjust the recording format, quality, and frame rate to suit your project. Once you've configured your settings, just press the Rec button to start recording. When you're done, you can also use hotkeys Ctrl and F1 together to stop the recording, and your video will be ready for further editing. But wait, there's more. It also includes a dedicated GIF maker to create animated GIFs from your videos or photos. And explore the toolbox for even more handy utilities like a photo to video maker, a split screen maker, a ring-owned studio, and a subtitle extractor. So, whether you're a beginner or a pro, WonderFox HD Video Converter Factory Pro provides a comprehensive, fast, and user-friendly solution for all your video processing tasks. Convert videos, edit, download, record, and create with ease. Ready to take control of your videos? Visit our website to learn more and download HD Video Converter Factory Pro. The link is in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.